कब पढ़ना स्टार्ट करोगे?
Hello madam, today we are learning how JavaScript is rendered inside browsers. See here, inside every browser there is something called JavaScript engine. This JavaScript engine is nothing but it is a machine which takes your JavaScript code and turns it into a bytecode which is understandable by CPU, and that CPU executes the tasks that we tell it in our JavaScript code. So here I will tell you the complete flow what happens inside the JavaScript engine. So in JavaScript engine there are mainly three things. One is parser, one is interpreter, and another one is compiler. Tell you the exact flow. First thing, the code is sent to the JavaScript engine. In the JavaScript engine there is first thing called parser. What this parser will do is this parser reads the code first. It reads the code and it finds any syntax errors. If any syntax error finds, it shouts at you like, you idiot, you did a syntax error. So what happens if the code is syntax free and it is completely meaningful? Then next parser converts the raw code into abstract syntax tree. It is AST. So I will show you what AST means. See here, this is the raw code and this is how AST parser converts the raw code into AST. So what is the benefit of AST is it is simply understandable with the next step, that is called interpretation. So what happens in the interpretation step? And in this interpretation step, the interpreter reads the abstract tree line by line and it executes immediately without any optimization. So the next step is compilation. What happens here is interpreter here is so intelligent that it sends the repeated code. I mean there are some loops, it is repeated. So sends that type of code to the compiler. Compiler already compiled the answer and keep it for the next iterations of interpretation. So after whenever the interpreter needs to run the program again, it already sends the pre-designed output to the interpreter. So the interpreter on the next time works very efficiently and finally it gives us the output. And this is how you get very fast outputs in JavaScript. That's it. Now you become a pro JavaScript developer. So if you want the detailed concept, I explained it with complete neat examples. If you want these detailed notes, comment JS or link. I will send you the article directly into your DMs.